बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। बेटा, कैन यू टेल मी द टॉपिक विच आई हैव स्टार्टेड? क्या आप टॉपिक का नाम बता सकते हैं जो मैंने स्टार्ट कर चुका हूँ?
सर मोल्स।
मोल्स। मोल्स में क्या हमने परसेंटेज यूज किया था लास्ट टाइम?
Yes, sir. But then last time you said that we'll focus on one thing at a time.
ओके 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 ओके, ठीक है, समझ गया था। मैंने कहा था आपसे कि अब ऐसा नहीं होगा, अब हम प्रॉपर तरीके से काम करेंगे, ठीक है? बहुत सारी चीजें एक साथ चला दी थी, ये गलत था, ठीक है? तो पहले हम सिलेबस से उठाएंगे, तमीज से काम करेंगे। अच्छा, क्या एम्पेरिकल फॉर्मूला आपको आ गया था?
Yes, sir.
स्टेचोमेट्री करनी है हमने, ठीक है? टॉपिक है हमारा यील्ड और परसेंटेज यील्ड, ठीक है? पहले इसकी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, बाद में आगे पीछे जाएंगे। नाउ व्हाट इज यील्ड एंड व्हाट इज परसेंटेज यील्ड, राइट? यील्ड एंड परसेंटेज यील्ड। यील्ड एंड परसेंटेज यील्ड। yield and percentage yield. Percentage yield. What is percentage yield? Yes, what is yield?
Sir, it is like the practical yield over theoretical yield times 100.
Hmm. So percentage yield. So yield means every reaction has reactant and product. 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 Second point, reactant convert into product. Into product. Next point, amount of product produced by certain amount of reactant is called yield. yield किसे कहते हैं? ये देखिए, फॉर एग्जाम्पल a plus b gives c. If a is 2 gram and c is 3 gram, So yield of C is 3 gram. समझ आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
इसे yield कहते हैं.
So yield of A is 2 gram or yield of A plus B?
Yield is the amount of product produced.
Oh, so it's like basically but 10, it's not grams, but it's like in moles.
Yes, amount means gram, right? So sometimes amount means mole, amount means gram. So gram produced because of the reaction between A and B is called yield.
So it means that B would be 1 gram.
Exactly, B maybe 1 gram. Now, what is percentage yield?
The percentage
Yes, percentage
of the
yield
yield.
is the actual yield divided by theoretical yield. Theoretical yield times 100 times 100. So what is theoretical yield?
The one like we calculate from some things.
Yes, exactly. Theoretical yield is calculated by the help of equation, by the help of chemical equation. जो chemical equation से हल किया जाए, मालूम किया जाए yield, उसे theoretical yield कहते हैं. क्या बात समझ आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
आइए इसकी क्वेश्चन करते हैं. पहले इसकी खूब प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. जब आपको ये आ जाएगा फिर कोई नया टॉपिक स्टार्ट करेंगे. Now question number 1. Lithium hydroxide plus KCl give lithium chloride plus KOH. Now A part. Lithium hydroxide is 20 gram. What is the theoretical yield of lithium chloride? भाई लिथियम क्लोराइड की थियोरेटिकल यील्ड कितनी है ये निकालना है.
Okay.
देखिए
Yes, sir.
कैसे करेंगे इसको पहले देखें. ये गिवन है, ये रिक्वायर है. इसका एमआर निकालेंगे. एमआर
Sir, why is
इसका
MR?
एमआर निकालेंगे. एमआर मींस मॉलिक्यूलर मास. You have the periodic table. Can you give me the value of AR of lithium?
7.
7. And oxygen?
Sir, oxygen is 16.
16 or 8?
No, sir, AR, right?
Yes, ARs. Now the value is
24.
24. 24. Now lithium chloride. Lithium plus Cl. Lithium is 7. Chlorine is 35.5. Yes. What would be the value? 42. 42.5. So first step is find the MR. This is first step. Are you getting my point or not?
Yes, sir. So first step
First step
is
is
find MR.
find MR. Now step 1, find MR. Lithium plus oxygen plus hydrogen. So lithium is 7, hydrogen is 16, hydrogen is 1. So 24. Number 2, lithium chloride. Lithium plus chlorine. So 7 plus 35.5, 42.5. Now step second. Step 2. Find theoretical yield.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, we will only focus on the lithium hydroxide and lithium chloride. We'll not focus
Yes,
on
yes, yes, yes.
potassium chloride and potassium hydroxide.
No potassium. There is no involvement of potassium chloride and potassium hydroxide in this question.
But isn't
Given
potassium
is
chloride also a reactant?
yes, potassium chloride is also reactant. Examiner did not ask about the potassium and potassium hydroxide in this question. You can read. You can read. Lithium hydroxide is given, and lithium chloride is required. So leave all the remaining part of the equation.
Okay, sir.
तुम लोग परेशान नहीं हो ना, मैं बेसिक से करा रहा हूँ, बेसिक से आज यही कराता रहूंगा जब तक तुम्हें आएगा नहीं. So lithium hydroxide is 24, lithium chloride is 42.5. Now lithium hydroxide is given, which is 20. This one is required. Cross multiply 20 times 42.5 divided by 24. बोलो क्या आंसर आएगा?
One second, sir. Sir, it's 40.5,
40.5.
or you can take 40.47, 48.
4. Okay, 40.5. 40.5 gram.
Sir,
Sorry,
what's
it is.
that?
जी बोले दोबारा बोलिएगा. 24 है ये.
Sir, 12. Sir, okay, 24. I thought it was 24. Okay. So we found the theoretical yield by this.
Just now calculate divided by 24.
Is it 35.4? Sir,
35,
35.4. 35.4.
35.4. Correct answer. Now B part of the question. Now B part of the question. If actually 6 gram of lithium chloride is produced, भाई हमने तो कह दिया 35.4, लेकिन एक्चुअली वो 6 ग्राम बनी है भाई. So what is the percentage yield? आपको मेरी बात समझ आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
Sir, so for this,
This
then
this
we'll
so
do
the
practical.
formula is percentage yield is equal to. अच्छा, तुम्हारे स्कूल में पीटी टीचर होते हैं? पीटी
Yes, sir.
पीटी देखो, इसका फॉर्मूला होता है पीटी टीचर, P/T मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100. पीटी प्रैक्टिकल यील्ड डिवाइडेड बाय थ्योरेटिकल यील्ड. याद रखना पीटी. तो प्रैक्टिकल यील्ड इज 6, थ्योरेटिकल इज 35.4. याद रख लेना, कभी भी परसेंटेज यील्ड मोर देन 100 नहीं हो सकती है, कभी भी नहीं हो सकती. इट इज ऑलवेज लेस देन 100. अगर कभी भी 100 से ज्यादा आ जाए, समझ लेना गलत किया है, ऊपर नीचे कर देना. हो सकता है तुम 35.4 डिवाइड बाय 6 कर दो, तो कभी भी 100 से ज्यादा आ जाए तो उसको उलट देते हैं. बोले क्या आंसर आएगा?
Sir, 16.9.
16.9. आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 हो गया. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. C3H8 plus 5O2 give 3 carbon dioxide plus 4H2O plus 4H2O. A part, if 5 gram of C3H8 is taken, find theoretical yield of water. Now Isa, it's उस्मान, क्या नाम है तुम्हारा यार? साथ.
Yes, sir.
बताइए कैसे करेंगे?
Yeah, sir. So here, we know 5 grams of C3H8 is given, and we have to find theoretical yield of water, which is H2O. So basically, the thing we have to see is C3H8 and 4H2O. So the first step is first step was to calculate the MR of both of them. So
Exactly.
C3H8 MR. Yeah, okay.
Exactly. Find MR. Step 1. So C3H8
So 12 times 3. 12 times 3 plus 1 times 8.
exactly. 3 times 12, 8 times 1. क्या बना?
44. 44.
44. Correct. Now second is H2O. No need to find out MR of carbon dioxide or AR of oxygen.
Sir, but what about 4? Like the 4 in H2O? Should we also count the 4 in H2O or just H2O?
Yes. 4H2O. 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 So 4, 2 times hydrogen plus oxygen. 2
So
times
4 times
1.
18. 2 times 1 plus
Exact,
16. Yeah.
exactly.
So 4 times
4,
18, which is 72.
72. Now step 2. Find theoretical yield. So first write C3H8 and then H2O.
So should we write 4H2 or H2O?
Just write H2O. But put the value of 72. 5 gram is given. You have to find X. Yes.
So X equals to 5 times 72 over 44. 5 times 72 over 44.
5 times
Which is 8.18.
5 times 72 divided by 44. So answer would be
8.18. 8.18.
8.18 gram. 8.18.
Sir, gram or percentage?
It's not the percentage, it's gram. Because it
Okay.
is yield. It is yield.
Okay, sir.
Now B part
Percentage
is
yield is in percentage.
exactly. Percentage is taken in percentage yield. Now B part is if
Sir, so
yes,
the yield will always decrease.
practical yield is always less than actual yield, because when we form product, some yield is wasted, always
Okay.
wasted.
Sir, and also, like for example, from C3H8 and H2O, yeah. So the yield of C3H8, would it be like more or less than H2O yield?
It may be not, right? Because we calculate and then find the actual values, right? So this is given, this is required, so we just manipulate.
Okay.
Now if percentage yield is 75%, find how many gram of water was produced. Now use the same formula, percentage yield. Formula is same. Formula is same. Practical yield is required. So the formula is percentage yield multiplied by theoretical yield divided by 100. हमने ये खुद बना लिया, खुद फॉर्मूला बना लिया. Now percentage yield is 75, theoretical yield is 8.18, which we have determined here.
Sir, won't 100 be divided first? Like, won't it 100 go to the other side first? It will be like percentage yield divided by 100 first, yeah?
So yes, same thing. Percentage yield
Yes, sir.
divided by 100 and then multiply by theoretical yield.
Okay.
Yes, can you tell me the value? Yes.
Sir, it's 6.135.
6.14 gram.
135. Oh yeah, okay, fine. Yeah, rounded.
So this is your answer, practical yield. Now next question. Question number 4. Sorry, question number 3. Question is given. BeCl2 plus hydrogen is formed. The question is given. If theoretical yield yield of BeCl2 was 10.7 gram, actual yield was 4.5 gram.
Sir, actual yield meaning the practical yield.
Actual yield is practical yield, yes. Find percentage yield. Find percentage yield. So use the same formula. Yes, can you tell me the practical yield?
Sir, practical yield is 4.5. 4.5 grams.
4.5. And theoretical yield is
10.7.
10.7. Yes.
That's a 42.1. 42.05, which is rounded to 42.1.
42.1% is the practical yield. Now question number 4. Two NaCl plus calcium oxide calcium chloride plus Na2O. Now what is my theoretical yield of sodium oxide if 20 gram of calcium oxide is taken? Yes. What is the theoretical yield of Na2 if 20 gram of calcium oxide is taken? Yes.
Sir,
बेटा
first we find
बताइए
MR.
कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे?
First we find MR, sir.
Exactly. Very good. Step 1, find MR. So sodium oxide and calcium oxide. 2 times Na plus oxygen. Na is 23.
Yes, sir.
Now total MR is 62.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 62.
Now just
Sir, your voice is not coming.
sorry. Can you repeat
Sir,
your
your
question?
voice, sir, your voice of first not coming now. It is.
Is it okay now?
Yes.
Yes. Can you tell me what is the second step?
Find theoretical yield.
Exactly.
But
Use
for
this formula.
CaO, yeah. Theoretical yield of CaO first.
Hmm.
Oh, wait, no. So we find
And then we
theoretical yield of Na2O.
20 gram is yes. Theoretical. So this do not use this formula, right?
Sir, we can use the ratios like
Yes.
yeah.
So reactant is calcium oxide. Ratio is 56. Ratio 62. So 20 gram is taken. You can find X. So X is equal to 20 times 62. Yes.
Sir, this is 22.14.
22.14
14%. Actually, grams, sir.
gram. Correct answer. 22.10 gram. Now question number 5.
Sir, we could answer. We could round that answer to 22.1 also. Would it be okay?
Yes, you can
Three
give.
significant figures.
Always give up to 3 and 4. It's up to you. Now question number 5. FeBr2 plus 2 KCl. Give FeCl2 plus 2 KBr. What is, this is A part, what is theoretical yield of FeCl2 if 34 gram of iron bromide is taken? Yes, beta, start to solve. Yes, what would be your first step?
Sir, find MR.
MR. Then
The theoretical yield.
okay. Now start doing. Step number 1.
Fe is iron here.
Yes, Fe is iron.
So Fe it's a transition metal. So do we know it? How
So
will we find that?
iron plus 2Br, right?
Oh, okay.
So iron is, I think, 56 point
26. So 26.
26.
Sir, atomic mass is the AR is 56.
56.
Oh yeah, sir, 56.
56 plus bromine is, I think, 80.
Bromine is 80, sir.
So 56 plus 160. 216. Iron is 56. 2 times 35.5. 71. 127. Now step 2. So FeBr2 ratio FeCl2. 216. 127. FeBr2 34x.
Sir, final answer is 20 grams.
20 gram. or 19 point something.
19.99, which will be rounded to 20. But if you take if you take sorry if you round it to four significant figures, would it be like 19.999 or 20?
You can write 20.00 or you can simply write 20. Both are correct.
Okay. No, sir. Here it's a theoretical yield, yeah. So it shouldn't be percentage. It should be grams.
Very good. Now B part, find percentage yield. Find percentage yield. If actual yield is 4 gram, just find percentage is equal to PT.
Sir, 4 over 20 multiplied by 100 and 4 over 20 is 0.2. So 0.2 times 100, which is 20. So it's going to be 20 gram.
20 gram
Now
or
20%.
20%. Correct answer. 20% is the correct answer. Now can I take your test?
Yes, sir, of course.
Are you sure?
Sir, for yield only, yeah?
Yes, yield or percentage yield.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, your first question. H2SO4 give H2O and SO3. 89 gram of H2SO4 is taken. Is taken. 7.1 gram of H2O is produced. Find percentage yield. Yes, solve. हो गया, कंप्लीट हो गया?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes. What will be the first step?
Sir, almost done, sir. I'm just doing the percentage yield.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Yes, can you tell me the answer?
Sir, the answer is 43.6.
43.6. And you?
Sir, 43.56. So like 43.6.
43.6. So same answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now it's my turn to solve this question, right? So can you tell me the first step?
Sir, first we have to find the theoretical yield. So then we'll do
Theoretical
the.
yield.
So first we'll find the MR of both of them,
MR. So H2SO4 is 98
and H2O is 18.
and H2O is 18. This is our first step. Now can you tell me the second step?
Now we find the theoretical yield. So
Theoretical yield. So here H2SO4, H2O. Here 89, here 7.1. Am I right? क्या ये सही है?
No, sir.
तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? MR लिखेंगे, राइट?
Yes, sir.
98,
Percent rate 98 and
18,
18.
and then 89x.
X.
या बताएं क्या आंसर आएगा?
Sir will get 16.3.
16.3 gram. 16.35 or 16.3?
Uh, 1 second. 16.35 or 16.3.
16.35.
Okay.
Now step 3. Step 3, percentage yield. PT, practical yield divided by theoretical yield multiplied by 100. So practical yield of water is 7.1. Theoretical yield is 16.35 multiplied by 100. Yes, answer would be
Sir, in this one we're getting 43.4 because like we used 16.35.
43.4 is the correct answer.
So sir, like we should use 2 decimal places.
4, just 2 decimal places or 4 significant figures.
Okay, sir.
Now next question, uranium plus 3Br2. What is the actual yield? What is the actual yield of UBr6 if 100 gram of uranium is taken? And get 83% practical yield? Yes, let's start.
This is question 2.
Sir,
Yes, let's start.
sir, you're saying what is the actual yield of UBr6 if 100 gram of U is taken and 83% of practical yield, but isn't actual yield and practical yield the same thing?
Yes, actual yield and what is the actual yield of uranium if 100 gram of yes, practical yield and actual yield are same, but it is percentage yield.
Oh, so we have to find, so the percentage yield is given.
Yes, this is percentage yield.
Okay.
Actual yield is given. Actual yield is required. Percentage yield is given. Yes, have you done?
No, sir, one second.
Answer done, sir. Done. Sir,
Yes,
250.66, which is 251.
250.66.
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell me the steps?
Okay, sir. So first we find the theoretical yield. So theoretical yield of UBR6 we have to find. So meaning first we have to find step one is molecular mass. We have to find, so molecular mass of U is 238, and for
Okay, MR,
yes,
UBR2,
it's
UBR6.
no first okay. So UBR6 would be U is 238, and then Br is 80. So there are six atoms, six of Br. So 238 plus 80 times 6,
So the answer would be
718. 718.
718.
Yes.
So can you tell me the mass of uranium? AR of uranium 238.
Sir, U for the mass of U. Sir, U AR we have to find. Sir, for
Yes,
AR, U is the 100, sir.
uranium is 100.
Yes.
No, sir, uranium is 238, sir.
Oh, sorry, sorry,
Uranium
238, sir. 238.
238.03 और 238. क्या मुझे पूरा मार्क्स बताएंगे यूरेनियम का कितना होता है? 238 है या 238.03 है?
Sir,
Sir,
230,
uranium meaning U.
हाँ, यूरेनियम
sir,
कितना है?
238.03.
238.03.
Yes, sir, which is 238.
238.0 and bromine is 80.
Yeah.
So 238.03, 480. Now tell me the answer. Seven one eight
Yes, sir, 718, 718.03.
03. Now uranium is 238.03. Now step 2.
Step 2 is to find the theoretical yield. So it would be U and UBR6. So X equals to 100 times 718.03 divided by 238.03.
Okay, theoretical is squared, right?
Yes, sir.
Theoretical yield is required.
Yes.
So we use ratio method, right?
Yes, sir.
So uranium UBR6. Uranium is 238.03 and this is 718.03. 100 gram of U is taken.
X equals 100 multiplied by 718.03 over 238.03.
Yes, 238.03. उन्हें आंसर क्या आएगा?
301.655, which will be rounded to 302.
301.6.
No, 301.65, sir. So 301.7.
7 gram. Now step 3.
Sir, can we also round to three significant figures?
Yes, you can do.
Okay.
Step 3 is percentage yield is equal to practical yield divide by theoretical yield, multiply by 100. So practical yield, percentage yield is given, which is 83. Practical yield is required. Theoretical yield is 101.7 times 100. So practical yield is equal to 83 times 301.7 divided by 100. Yes.
Sir, we got 250.4 grams.
250.4%. Percent or gram? Practical yield is required. So
Sir,
practical yield is 250.4. Yes.
sir, I got 251. So, because I rounded before only 301.7 to 302. So, is it okay
Yes,
if
yes.
I get 251?
250, 250, 251, both are correct. Nearly same. Now next question. TIS plus H2O give H2S plus TiO, titanium oxide. What is the percentage yield of titanium oxide if 20 gram of titanium sulfite was used practical yield actual yield of titanium oxide is 22 gram. Yes, start to solve. Just start to solve. Titanium oxide and titanium sulfite.
Sir, done.
जी बोले क्या आंसर है?
Sir, 137.5.
ओके साद आपने किया है, उमर आपने किया है?
सर, मैंने किया, लेकिन ये 100 से अबव है।
ठीक है, उमर आप भी करें।
सर मैं कर रहा हूँ।
इसके आगे लिख लेंगे नॉट पॉसिबल, सवाल ही गलत है। इसके आगे लिखेंगे नॉट पॉसिबल, प्रैक्टिकली पॉसिबल ही नहीं है।
Sir, so making this
सर
solution is So making the solution, it's not possible.
Answer is not possible.
Sir,
Never possible. 20 gram gives 22 gram. Practical yield is always less than 100. Yes, beta.
sir, but I got like I got 88%.
88%. Now look at the question. Step 1. बोले क्या करेंगे स्टेप 1 में?
Sir, first you'll find the MR.
MR. Yes, titanium sulfide is
Sir, 48 plus 32, which is 80.
80. And titanium oxide is
64.
64.
And then for ratio, it would be x equals 20 multiplied by 64 over 80, which will give us 16.
Okay. Titanium sulfide, titanium oxide. Titanium sulfide is 80, titanium oxide is 64. Twenty gram is taken. X is equal to 64 times 20 divided by 80. Yes.
16.
Sorry, 15 point
16, sir, 16.
16 gram. Now step 3. Percentage yield is equal to PT times 100. Practical yield divided by theoretical yield. So practical yield is 22. Theoretical is 16 times 100. Yes,
Sir, 137.5%.
137.5%, which is not possible. Not possible. Five. Question number 6. Question number 7. Question number 8. Very good. Next question. Yes, next question. Calculate the percentage yield of a reaction that had a theoretical yield of 3.76 gram and an actual yield of 1.45 gram. Just calculate. Just start to solve this one.
So done.
MashaAllah.
Done.
Answer?
Sir, 1.45 over 3.76 multiplied by 100, which is 38.56.
So percentage yield.
Sir, 38.56.
So practical yield is 3.76 or 1.45.
Sir, 38.56.
Why 38.156?
Sir, practical yield is 1.45.
Yes, 1.45 divided by 3.76 multiplied by 100. Yes,
Yes, sir, 38.56 or 38.6%.
38.6%. Now next question. If 2.5 gram of K3PO4 was produced, percentage yield was 45%. What was the practical yield? Theoretical yield. Yes, start to solve. Yes, solve.
Sir, found. Sir, found it.
Yes. What is the answer?
Wait, sir, see, if we have to rearrange the formula, yeah. So, like for example, if percentage yield is equals to practical yield over if percentage yield is Py over Ty multiplied by 100, so Ty
Mm-hmm.
will be equals to Py over percentage yield over 100, yeah.
Yes, yes, same.
So then Py would be 2.5, and then then the percentage yield is 45. So 2.5 divided by 45 divided by 100, yeah. So I got the answer as 5.555.
5 point.
5.555, which will be rounded to 5.56.
Okay. Yes. And your answer?
Sir, I also got 5.56.
ठीक है, शाबाश। अब आप बताइए, क्या आपको ये थियोरेटिकल प्रैक्टिकल समझ आ गई है?
यस सर, समझ में आ गई।
यस सर।
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह,
अभी।
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। अब मैं आपको एक फाइल बना के भेज रहा हूँ अभी, वो आप करके भेजिएगा, ठीक है? आपको वही व्हाट्सएप के ग्रुप में भेजता हूँ, ठीक है? देखा, आया आपके पास? बोले, आ गया आपके पास?
यस सर।
सर
ये मुझे आप अभी करके भेजेंगे, मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ। क्या आपको मिल गए सारे क्वेश्चन?
जी सर।
चलिए, ये अभी करके मुझे भेजिए। ठीक है, मैं दूसरी क्लास ले रहा हूँ, आप करके मुझे व्हाट्सएप करेंगे, ठीक है?
ठीक है सर।
चलिए, अल्लाह हाफिज।
जी सर, अल्लाह हाफिज।
अल्लाह
थैंक यू सर।
हाफिज।
हाफिज।
अल्लाह हाफिज।